Life of
Bees? Yeah, I haven't watched that yet. Are you ticklish there? Are you ticklish there? My ticklish there? Look at your little jewel.
Chloe, are you gonna
Tickle,
eat?
tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle,
Come on.
tickle. Ah,
Chloe.
Oh,
I want to have a
oh,
picture.
oh.
I want to have a picture.
A picture? No, we already did some pictures.
It's Ethan's turn.
Oh, your mom told you where the menu was at. Okay. I see, I see. I see, I see.
Kick, 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 kick.
Chloe, are you done? Come on, let's go.
Is that your feet? You see your feet? You see your feet? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Is that a smile? Look at your smile.
You done?
Look at your smile.
You listening?
Yes.
Chloe,
Your mom is talking
come
to
on
you.
now. Let's go wash your hands.
Chloe,
Don't touch your
Chloe.
eyes, I said.